Welcome to our latest review, where we delve into the fascinating world of gaming laptops. Today, we're excited to introduce the all-new Asus Tianxuan Air 2024. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a multitasking enthusiast, this laptop promises to deliver top-tier performance and cutting-edge features. Priced competitively, starting at 7,299 yuan, or approximately $1,006, this 14-inch powerhouse is poised to redefine your gaming and productivity experience. Let's explore what makes the Asus Tianxuan Air 2024 a standout choice in the competitive gaming laptop market. The first thing you'll notice about the Tianxuan Air 2024 is its sleek and sophisticated design. Constructed with high-quality metal on the A&D sides and featuring CNC machined edges, this laptop is as durable as it is stylish. Weighing just 1.46 kilograms and measuring 16.9 millimeters in thickness, it strikes the perfect balance between portability and performance. The design is further enhanced by a new square power connector and a hinge that allows a full 180 degrees opening, offering flexibility and ease of use in various scenarios. The laptop's 14-inch 2.5K display is a visual treat. With a 165 Hz refresh rate and a 3 millisecond response time, every frame is rendered smoothly, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming. The display supports NVIDIA G-Sync technology, ensuring a tear-free and immersive experience. Boasting a brightness of 400 nits and 100% sRGB color gamut coverage, it delivers vibrant and accurate colors, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or working on creative projects. At the heart of the Tianxuan Air 2024 lies the latest AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor. With a 12-core Zen 5 architecture, this CPU delivers unprecedented performance, handling demanding applications and multitasking with ease. The laptop is available with either an RTX 4060 or RTX 4050 GPU, both equipped with AI Tensor cores. These graphics cards support advanced features like DLSS 3.5 and ray tracing, providing realistic graphics and smooth gameplay. The Tianxuan Air 2024 comes with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X dual-channel memory, clocked at an impressive 7500 MHz. This high-speed RAM ensures that your system runs smoothly even under heavy workloads. For storage, it includes a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, offering lightning-fast read and write speeds. Additionally, the laptop features dual M.2 2280 slots, allowing for further storage expansion. To maintain peak performance, the Tianxuan Air 2024 employs an advanced cooling system. It includes 89-blade liquid-bearing fans and a sophisticated rear exhaust design. This setup effectively dissipates heat, ensuring that the laptop remains cool and quiet even during intense gaming sessions or heavy computational tasks. Powering this beast is a 73-watt large-capacity battery, which supports 100-watt PD fast charging. This means you can quickly recharge your laptop and get back to gaming or working without long downtimes. On the audio front, the Tianxuan Air 2024 is equipped with dual speakers that support Dolby Atmos, delivering rich and immersive sound quality. The laptop also includes dual microphones and a dual camera module, featuring an FHD main camera and IR face recognition for secure and convenient login. Connectivity options on the Tianxuan Air 2024 are robust and versatile. It includes a full-function USB 4 port, a full-power HDMI 2.1 port, and a 3.5mm audio jack, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and accessories. Running on Windows 11, the laptop offers the latest features and updates from Microsoft, providing a smooth and efficient user experience. The Tianxuan Air 2024 is available in several configurations to suit different needs and budgets. Ryzen AI 9 HX370 with RTX 4060, 32GB RAM and 1TB SSD, $9,490. Ryzen AI 9 HX370 with RTX 4060, 16GB RAM, 8,999 yuan, 1,241. Ryzen 7 8845H with RTX 4060, 16GB RAM and 1TB SSD, 7,999 yuan, 103. Ryzen 7 8845H with 4050, 16 RAM and 512GB SSD, 7,299 yuan, 1,006. The Asus Tianxuan Air 2024 is not just a gaming laptop. It's a versatile powerhouse that caters to both gamers and professionals. With its stunning display, powerful internals, advanced cooling, and robust connectivity, it sets a new standard for what a gaming laptop can be. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or tackling intensive work tasks, the Tianxuan Air 2024 is equipped to handle it all. If you're in the market for a high-performance, stylish, and feature-rich laptop, the Tianxuan Air 2024 should be at the top of your list.